Today, I'm going to perform an experiment for Ms. Shields' class. I want to find a way to make cooking oil useful because it contaminates oceans, rivers, and lakes. Did you know that 1 liter of oil can contaminate millions of liters of water, affecting its marine life and the animals that come to visit? If you can make soap out of new coconut oil, then you should be able to make soap out of used coconut oil. Because during the saponification process, any oil turns into soap. I plan to make used coconut oil soap and new coconut oil soap. Then I'm gonna test them to see if they work the same. And if they do, that's one solution to stop oil pollution. There are 2 types of oils. Saturated oil, which is the one I'm using, also known as solid oil, and unsaturated oil, known as liquid oil. These both coconut oils are the same, just that we have used this one for cooking several times and it stayed in a liquid state. When handling sodium hydroxide, be careful. Don't let it touch any part of your body. It can burn you severely. If you're a child, do not do this without adult supervision. First, we need to filter the used cooking oil. I filtered it 3 times. Let's set it aside and move to step 2. Now we're gonna pour the sodium hydroxide into the water. The water's temperature is at 71 degrees Fahrenheit or room temperature. Now let's put on safety equipment. Let's check the temperature. We need to keep on mixing until the water is crystal clear. We need both the oil and the mix at the same temperature. I microwave the oil and put ice around the mix to speed up the process. Right now, the mix is at 113 degrees Fahrenheit and the oil is at 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Both liquids are about the same temperature. Now, we're gonna pour both of them together. Now, I need to start mixing right away. As you see right here in the mixture, when I lift this up, it creates mountains or crests. When this happens, it means we have reached the trace. We're gonna pour it in the mold. Now we're gonna gently hit it against the table to close in any bubbles. I covered the mold with film wrap. Now I'm gonna cover it with a towel to speed up the process. What I'm doing right now is called saponification. Saponification is the chemical reaction in which the sodium hydroxide, the water, and the oil all mix to turn into soap. This process generally takes 24 to 48 hours. Now we're gonna make the soap bar out of the new coconut oil. There are two different things. First, we don't need to filter the oil, but second, we need to warm it up so it turns into a liquid state. It's been about 12 hours and the soap bars are ready. How do I know? Because when I touch them, they feel hard and dry. First, we're gonna take the used coconut oil soap out of its mold. First, we take off the plastic, then we lift off the purple rubber plastic thing and turn it around and gently try to take it off. As you can see, the soap is very hard. Now we're gonna cut the soap with this. I'm gonna need help from my parents because the soap is very hard. Now we're gonna cut the new coconut oil. We need to leave the soaps in a dry space for about 40 days for them to be usable.